Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another Echo Park warehouse sale to share with you guys that they are having over this holiday Thanksgiving weekend, which by the way, I'm wishing everybody a happy and healthy, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're staying safe and you're spending time with your loved ones and family and friends and eating yummy, delicious food and just spending time being grateful. I'm actually spending this time in bed being sick because I'm sick with some kind of a cold or the flu or something. It's not COVID. I tested negative for that a million times, but yeah, I'm still in bed for the most part. So just wanted to hop on here and share with you guys the Echo Park warehouse sale. So in this sale, they have a lot of goodies. They got paper pads, chipboard, collection kits, brads, washi tape, enamel dots, ephemera, mega pads, stickers, solid papers, sticker books, and sticker sheets. So I'm gonna go over this to share with you guys because there's some awesome things here. So the 6x6 paper pads are $4 each, or you could get 3 for $10, which makes them like $3.33 each. So they have some Disney, they have animal ones, baby ones, birthday ones, all aboard, flower, crafty ones, farmhouse living, gather at home, home themed one, adventures, outdoors, sunflower market there. They have a couple of Christmas, not too many Christmas for the 6x6 paper pads. Actually, that's 1, 2, yeah, I don't think they have a lot of Christmas this time around. Yeah. But they have wedding and baby and the witches and wizards, which is like the Harry Potter collection. So they do have that for 6x6 paper pads. Then moving on to chipboard, you can mix and match with your collections. If you have any of these, you could pick them up. If you just needed some chipboard to go with some Christmassy collections, you could definitely mix and match whether they have that collection or not. A lot of the times Christmas, you could kind of just match with a bunch of other Christmassy collections. So that's what I love about Christmas. It's always like the same colors. So they have 2 pages of chipboard. That was page 1. And then here is page 2. And I just wanted to share with you guys like what they have. I'm not affiliated with them. I wish they would give me an affiliate link, but I've asked and they don't do affiliate straight from their website. So you guys just hop on. I'm just doing this for you guys. Hop on to Echo Park. I do not make any commission or anything. They have collection kits, $7.50 each, or if you get 4 for $25, or 10 collection kits for $60. It used to be $50, but $60 is still a very good deal. Makes it like $6 each per collection, so it's still a great deal. They have more Christmas for the collection kits. They have some 4th of July, some autumn, baby again, the birthday ones again that they also have in the 6x6, more baby. They have some summer themed ones and back to school, more Christmas, fall, Christmas, lots of Christmas for this one. And they have this home collection, which I love. This Home Again collection. It's one of my absolute favorites for like home themed albums. And there's another super duper exciting one which we haven't gotten to yet, and they have 3 pages of this, but let me share with you guys because I don't know if it's on the next page. Yeah, right here. Oh my gosh, Cupid and Co, my favorite, absolute all-time favorite Valentine's Day collection that came out maybe like 3 or so years ago, and it sold out everywhere so fast. So I think I need to just shop that one. I have to check my stash first because I know my fiance found it for me. I have a lot of the 6x6 pads. I don't know if I have the 12x12, so I gotta check my stash. But all-time favorite Valentine's Day collection, Cupid and Co. So they have more Christmas here, more Christmas, fall, summer. They do have quite a bit of summer collections and just more Christmas, Jingle All the Way. They have some Disney, more Christmas here. They have a cat one, more Christmas, lots of Christmas, and lots of summer. Look, this is all summer, these 3 right here. They have some more school ones and then some more birthday ones. Another Christmas one. They have some Under the Sea, Witches and Wizards for this one as well. And then moving on to page 3, there's not much on here, but here you go. You have a winter one, another birthday, you have an Easter one if you want to get ready for that already. So Easter's gonna come around soon, right? So then you have decorative brads. These are just adhesive brads. They're not the ones that have like the prongs on the back, so they just stick onto your project with a couple of chipboard pieces. So you can mix and match these to whatever collections you may have in your stash. Like the wedding ones will go with the other wedding papers, the winter Disney goes with everything, and the Christmas goes with Christmas. The fall, most of the fall will go with something except for the blues. If you don't have another fall collection that has blue, maybe not some of the blues in there, but all the other pieces you could definitely use. So that's it for decorative brads. They have some washi tape. They're $2 each. I never get the washi tape, but if you like washi tape, go ahead and get this. Maybe you're a planner person and you want some washi tape. Maybe you make cards with washi tape. I've seen people do that. So they have a bunch here for washi tape. I just don't use it. So I'm not going to go into detail. Enamel dots. These are $3 each. I do have a bunch. I love stocking up when they have them in their sales. They don't always have enamel dots. So when they do, I like to get a bunch of like Christmassy ones and some fall ones. They have some Disney, some wedding ones, but they have like 1, 2, 3, how many Christmas? 4, 5 different Christmassy ones. So you could definitely stock up on that. Then they have Ephemera. These are $3 each, or you could get 10 of them for $15, which normally would cost you 10 of them for $30. So that's a good price. They come out to $1.50 each if you get 10 of them. So you could definitely mix and match these with collections, especially again Christmas. You could also do that with the school paper. Some of them you can't mix and match as easily, but the winter ones you can. So just look at what you have in your stash, and if you need some ephemera, this is a good place to go and get some. And they have 2 pages of this. I don't think the second page has as much. Maybe it does. I didn't actually look before I did this video, but they have some Under the Sea, more Disney, the Witches and Wizards, the baby collections, more wedding ones and winter ones. Then moving on to the next section, which is the mega pads. These are great for card makers. They have 48 sheets in here. So you got some Disney, not a lot of the mega pads, but there's some Disney, one Christmas I see right there. Some wedding, the baby ones again. I do love those baby collections though, they're so cute. And the winter one, I've used them both numerous times and I have more to craft with. I love those baby collections. Then they have Puffy stickers. These are great to add to smaller projects because they are small, so not as big as Chipboard. I love these. They're great for cards and just to decorate smaller things in general. So I do like those a lot. So you have a bunch of those, lots of Christmas for here as well. So get ready crafting for the holiday season, guys. It's gonna sneak up on us, and so is Easter. So then you have solid kits. I also like to stock up on these. They don't always have solid kits, so they're $3 each, or you could get 10 for $25, which brings it down to $2.50 each. But these are great. Again, you can mix and match. The Christmas goes with all Christmas pretty much, maybe with the exception of like the black papers, but you could always use the other side. They're double-sided solid papers. There's some Halloween, the Valentine's Day. This is the Hello Valentine, but it'll match with the Cupid and Co. For the most part, I think the shades of pink are a little bit different. They're more peachy, I believe, in the Hello Valentines. I have both, and I believe that's what that is. They have a wedding one here also. All right, 2 more sections to go. They got sticker books. If you'd like to use a lot of stickers, these are also smaller, which are great for the smaller projects, but I think, I can't remember if these are clear or not. I don't remember if these are those. Maybe they're not. I don't know. Can't remember. I don't think so, actually. I think they have a white backing. Yeah, I think crepe paper is clear, and I think these have a white backing, which makes them that much easier to use. And then the last section is sticker sheets. They don't always have this either. Sometimes they have us just a sticker sheet sale, but I love when they include it in the warehouse sales because you could really get what you need, especially if you're, you know, buying just bits and pieces of a collection and you need a sticker sheet. Maybe you need some extras, maybe you have some scraps left over and you just need some stickers to decorate to decorate whatever you're working on. So maybe you're making some cards with scrappies and you just need some extra like stickers. So these are $2 each or 10 for $15, which makes them $1.50 each for the sticker sheets, which is a great price because they're normally $4. So they have a bunch of options here as well. So yeah, wedding, Christmas, winter, home themed collection. That's a cute one. The coffee sticker sheet, they have 3 pages of this. So that was page 1. Moving on to page 2, more fall, summer. They have some Halloween here, more winter, Christmas, more Halloween, camp, magical adventure, so Disney collections. They have some of those. I see some school ones, wedding, winter, and Easter also. They have 2 different Easter ones. And then they have a winter and the Harry Potter, Witches and Wizards. So that is everything that they have this time around in their warehouse sale. I hope you guys shop. I know everybody's busy spending time with family, but if you're waiting for this, I hope you do get a chance to see this video and get to some shopping. I do like that they have it. It seems like in a couple of extra days this time around. So you do have some extra time even after Thanksgiving. So I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy shopping, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.